wanted to stop and do a video, which you can't hear me because of the baby bird. Haven't done a personal video in a long time. Trying to see why that bird's being loud. Not a lot's been going on with me. Storm still working out of town a lot, so he's just not at home very often. Just a second, be right back. He wanted his mama. This is our baby conure. Let's see if we can see. Let me hold him so maybe he'll be a little bit quieter. He's not going to be quiet. So, Storm's working out of town. He's home a few days a week and does stuff around the house and everything. Baby bird's biting my finger. Today was my son's birthday, and then it was my daughter's birthday too. They were born 3 years apart, but it's cool that they've got the same birthday and everything. Not been online much other than to do emails and things like that. My camera's going dead too, so this is really going to suck. Maybe I should charge it and do another video some other time. Did get to call Terry the other day, so that was fun to finally get to talk to her on the phone. So, been talking to her and doing stuff like that. Would like to call her again some other time. Step up on the finger. Good bird. Oh, he's just a few weeks old, so he's still learning to get his balance and stuff. He's so cute to have around though. I feed him about 3 times a day. And he really likes to be out of that cage and stuff. So, trying to get him to stand on one hand so I can... It's about feeding time why he's so loud right now. But I'm amazed at how much he's changed in the last week that I've had him here at the house and everything. The other birds are being amazingly quiet for some reason. I guess because I've got all the lights off in the room and stuff. But, sorry I haven't been doing personal videos. That might change. Been just kind of down and everything. So, we'll probably do some more later. We'll also show you how the baby conure grows. So, talk... Oh, he almost lost his balance because I moved. Oh, he sees himself on the camera. His name's Dragon. So, talk to y'all later.